Hello everyone, myself Shin Thakur Jaswal and I am discuss for an exam with you. Hey guys, so are you ready for today's class? If you're following the classes, so you know about that foreign examinations are very important for further abroad study, okay? So today we discuss about TOEFL examinations. This examination is really very important. So what is that TOEFL examination? Everything you need to know, I'll tell you in this class, okay? So this is really very important exam. So be careful. Don't miss anything of this class. So first of all, what is TOEFL? TOEFL stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language. It measures English language proficiency and widely accepted by university, especially US and UK. And the fees of this is 16,900 a term. No specific limit. Is this good for everyone? Why take TOEFL? So, what is the importance for these examinations? Required for admissions to many English-speaking universities, helps in getting students visas, and demonstrates English proficiency for job applications. So, if you want to apply any of them, so these examinations will really help you out. So, test structure, it's really important, guys. Don't miss a chance and don't miss the thing. There are 4 different parts: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Each section you score 0 to 30 and total score range from 0 to 120. So this is your text structure. While you're giving these examinations, you have to be very careful this pattern and the paper thing, okay? In reading section, you will have 3 to 4 passages, 12 to 14 questions, each of these passages, and topic from various academic subjects. So need not worry. 54 to 72 minutes you will have to complete these sessions. So the reading section you really work hard, okay? Then listening section. In the listening section we will have 4 to 6 lectures and 2 to 3 conversations. Total questions were 34 to 51 in the last paper which I have seen. And the minutes are 41 to 57. During this durations you have to complete your listening sections. Then speaking section. In speaking section, there are 6 tasks, 2 independent, 4 integrated, and these topics are totally based on your personal experiences and academics material. You will have 17 minutes to complete this speaking section, guys. So what you waiting for? You have to little work hard and practice more. Don't you worry, I'll be there to give you so many practice tests. Okay? Now comes on the writing section. Writing section is something really important for your practicing work. 2 tasks, integrated and independent. Write essay based on reading, listening and personal opinion and 50 minutes to complete. Now, how to prepare? Practice with simple tests, improve vocabulary and grammar, and take TOEFL prep courses. Don't you worry guys, just comment on the comment section. Our team will contact you and just explain each and everything, the preparation and all. And now, test day tips. This is really important. If you want to give this test, get a good night's sleeps on the day of the paper, okay? And bring necessary identifications. Arrive little early at the test center. Stay calm and focused. So guys, these are all about the TOEFL examinations. In my upcoming classes, I'm going to give you some practice test paper which is related to each section of this paper. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, just give a little thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. I'm going to tell you each and everything which is required for this examination. So bye-bye and take care. We'll meet soon in our next session.